Hey, it's David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2016 Ram 1500 Sport in granite crystal metallic paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with a 5-foot box on the back, and there's chrome running boards on both sides of this truck, which makes it that much easier to get inside. Come to the front here, you'll have projector style halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. The high beams are right there, and there's LED turn signals, and those are also the running lights. They look sharp. And there's 2 fog lamps on the front bumper. Front and rear bumpers are color matching. There's some chrome inside the grille there, otherwise it is color matching, looking sharp. Come to the side here, this Ram 1500 Sport is running on 20-inch rims, and the tires are Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. And there's mud flaps behind all 4 tires. Color matching door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. Color matching mirrors as well. The mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights. You can break these away by hand if you want. These are also heated mirrors. Open up the driver's side door here. All right, there's storage down below with 2 big cup holders, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. This does have power folding in mirrors. Press this button here, you can fold the mirrors in. And there's dark chrome styling touches on all the doors and in the interior, and there's chrome door handles on the inside of all 4 doors too. Move inside here, this has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there, that button there will turn on the box lights. Directional air vent, which you can close and open. Handle right here, so you, the driver, can easily get inside this truck. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel. It is a tilt steering wheel too. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. All the seats are comfortable to sit in and nice to touch. Adjustable headrest on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall a person you are, just seatbelt height's you're most comfortable inside this Ram truck. Nice materials in the middle here for arms to rest on. There's a nice big Ram badge there. There's an upper storage area here. There's a change holder, and there is a USB port, an auxiliary port, an SD card port, connect your media. Plug anything into these areas and you play music through the Ram speakers, and there's a USB port right here, which is fantastic for charging devices. If you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides here, so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower here, and there's even more storage space down below. Tons of space. And there's a little ledge there for some pens or anything small. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle here with bubbles to hold your cups into place. There's a cell phone holder, and there's a 12-volt DC power outlet. Lots of space in the middle there for many different things. Dark chrome styling touch right there, and there's even a little storage spot down there as well. And this does have an auto dimming rear view mirror and LED interior lighting throughout. There's a pocket on the side of the middle console here, so feel free to put anything you want in there for quick and easy access. There's LED convenience lights built into the bottom of the mirrors, which come on when you open up any door, and it's very nice. Even come on when you unlock the truck. Very cool. It's a nice touch to go along with the LED turn signal lights in the mirrors. Let's go check out the back seat area. All right, there's storage down below, storage in the middle, nice place for an arm, power window switch, great style, looking very nice. I like the stitching on all the doors too. Convenience handle right here, so your passengers can easily get into the back seat area of this truck. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. There's a 12-volt DC power outlet down here, a nice Ram badge, and there's directional air vents, which you can easily close and open. There's 2 big cup holders down below here, and there's a fold-down armrest in the middle here with 2 more cup holders. Adjustable headrest in the back seats too, hooked up above so you can hang out nice clothing, so if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. The interior lamp right there, it's also a reading lamp. Push it with your hand, it'll come on. Push it again, it'll shut off. The seats do flip up for you, just like this, and there's a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage. If you're not using them, easily fold them back just like this. Underneath here, there's storage space. This is a front license plate holder in case you ever need it, in case you move to British Columbia and you need a license plate on the front of your vehicle. And here is a clip so you can secure this. And there's LED lights built into the bottom of the seats. They light up the feet area for you at nighttime so you can see where your feet are when it's dark. Underneath the mat here, there is an insulated, removable in-floor storage area. You put ice in here, keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold. If it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. I like how they stay nice and hidden underneath the mats. Alright, this has LED tail lamps on the back, dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. The box lights are just up there. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram truck. Backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right here. Open up the tailgate, comes down nice and slowly for you. This does have spray and bedliner protecting your box. And there's hooks in all four corners so you tighten your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. And there's also LED box lights in here. Fantastic. This does have a tonneau cover so you can have things inside your box out of sight and protected. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, including this tailgate. I'll show you the other side of the back seat here. Storage down below, storage in the middle, power window switch, great style. Convenience handle on this side as well. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Insulated, removable, in-floor storage area right here. This side flips up like so. And there's a fold-out gate here. So you can put things underneath or on top for storage. And there's a cutout here in the middle for the cup holders, which I think is a clever touch. This easily folds back, and underneath here, there's even more storage space. And of course you have the clip on this side too, so you can secure it and protect whatever is underneath there. LED light built at the bottom of the seat, and this easily comes down just like so. Front passenger side here, there's storage down below with two cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, looking good. Spot for some pens or packs of gum right here. Directional air vent, which you can close and open. Lower glove box here with a manual and some goodies in there for you. Upper glove box here with a convenience light. And of course a handle right here for your front passenger so they can easily get inside this truck. Passenger seat is manual adjustment, and underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. When it comes to safety, there's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. And of course there's a pocket on this side of the middle console as well. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. Alrighty then, now I'm sitting inside the 2016 Ram 1500 Sport, and this is the key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice Ram badge on the back. Whoa, what is this button right here? Well, that is remote start. Just press it twice, the doors will lock, and then the truck will start right up. Boom, just like that. Then all you gotta do is hit the unlock button to hop inside here. Grab your key fob, go over to the right here, push this into ignition like so. All you got to do is turn this to on to get past the remote start system. Boom, there you go. Now you're good to go. Check out all the gauges. They look so good. It's a nice Ram badge up there. That looks good. This truck only has 21,766 kilometers on it. That is not very much at all, so definitely book a test drive soon. LCD driver information center screen right here in the middle. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel here, we can go through the driver information center. So the first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. Vehicle info tells you tire pressures for all four tires, transmission temperature, oil life, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to your tire pressures. Fuel economy area here lets you know your fuel range on your tank of fuel, your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button here and you can easily reset your average liters per 100 kilometers. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. hold this button here, you can easily reset that, or you could reset both of them. Just go back to the other one and reset it. Trailer tow area lets you know what the gain is set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case this Ram 1500 wants to tell you something. Screen setup here, so you customize the screen, make it more of your own. Check this out: fuel range, fuel economy, a thermometer, clock. Go in the screen setup here and you customize the screen and have it say what you want to say. And back to your digital speedometer. And if you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know which door on the truck is opened. Nice big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons right there. And behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. This does have voice recognition. Cancel.
Cancel.
Using voice recognition, you can tell the GPS navigation to find a place for you, which is super cool. And if a call comes through Bluetooth, you can answer the call by pressing that button right there. Beautiful stitching on the dashboard, looking so good. Directional air vents in the middle here, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open these. 115 volt AC power outlet. Another spot for some pens or packs of gum. Rotary style gear shifter, very out of the way, very easy to use. And if I throw this truck into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. That is awesome. Push button 4-wheel drive down here. This does have 4WD auto, trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode, heated seats up front, and there's 2 settings for both. This also has a heated steering wheel. Absolutely fantastic. These are the physical controls for the climate and the audio. So you can easily adjust your fan speed right here, make the temperature cooler or warmer. Front defrost, this button here will turn on the heated mirrors. Air conditioning recirculate button. This is a tuning knob and a browse button. Back button to help you guide through your system here. Hazards, turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Touch with your finger, it comes back on. There's a volume knob and a mute button. Piano black styling touches up here and on the front here. A little spot for some things, a nice Ram badge. Reading lamps up here. Always handy to have reading lamps. This is a switch for the rear sliding window. Programmable garage door opener right there. Fold down sun visors with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights. There you go, it's just a little fidgety, that's all. These do break away, and they do slide out for you. So what I just did here with the passenger sun visor, you can do with the driver's sun visor as well. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. And this is the touchscreen Uconnect system. You can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to, just like this. Boom. Turn the volume. Great sound quality through the speakers. Love it. Turn back down like this, or we can just press the mute button. So you have your presets up above. Hold one of the boxes here with your finger. You can easily set a preset, access to a mini map, connect to GPS navigation, adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed, adjusted volume, auxiliary volume offset. Tells you a song and the artist in the middle of the screen here. And the info bar up there tells you the time, outside temperature, and what you have the temperature set on the climate control. So media area here, if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, a Bluetooth device connector, or something in the SD card port, go to the media area here and you can listen to music through those areas. Quick access to the rear backup camera. That's right, the truck does not have to be in reverse for you to view what's behind you using the backup camera. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff that you have. Climate control right here. Easily adjust where you want the air to go. Adjust your fan speed. Set the temperature with just your finger. And you also access your heated seats and heated steering wheel. That's right, heated seats up front and a heated steering wheel. And there's 2 settings for both. You also have your mirror dimmer there and access to your backup camera and settings. All right, GPS navigation area here. View the map. Gives you a great view of where you are, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. Go menu, go where to, put an address, search points of interest, and more. Bluetooth area here. Pair a phone, make hands-free calls. You pair more than one device. Everything you do on your phone, make a call. You do hands-free on the touchscreen Uconnect system. right here. It's a very responsive and easy to use system. Uconnect, I think, is one of the best, multimedia centers in vehicles in the industry. It's the 2016 Ram 1500 Sport in granite crystal metallic paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with a 5-foot box on the back. It has chrome running boards for easy access into the interior, very comfortable seats, a backup camera, and more. Come to Crosstown and see if this is going to be your next truck. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.